So here on the table, I've built myself a bit of a potato PC. We've got some generic 600 watt superpower, I believe, power supply. We have an ASUS M5A88-A Motherboard. We have a MSI GT630. We have 4 sticks of 2 gig RAM, just some old Samsung stuff. And I've got an old FX 6300. And the dilemma, we also have just a budget water cooling kit, 120mm, whatever was floating around, might as well use it. And we've got a 240 gig SSD somewhere in here, and a 2TB drive. Now the dilemma that I had with this was no matter the memory configuration that I had, it wouldn't just give me full usable RAM. So I'm running Windows 10 64-bit, 20H2 I believe the revision is, and no matter what I did, I could not get the extra RAM to load. And looking online, it kept coming up with 2 gig but only 4 gig usable, or 4 gig only 2 gig usable. If I took one of the sticks out, it would give me 2 gig full usable. So right now the 4 DIMM slots populated, it was only giving me 4 gig, not 8 gig, which was weird because it was acknowledging the RAM. So what I did from there was I remembered that when I took the processor off, the old machine that it was in, the processor of course ripped up with the cooler, as much as I tried to avoid that. Installed it in here, all seemed to be sweet, everything installed, all good, and then I saw a mention online saying about a bent pin causing it not to utilize the RAM properly. Which at a quick glance I thought I was all good, until I noticed just one little pin is folded over on itself. Now it's a bit hard to display it on the video right here, but take my word for it, there is one bent pin. That one bent pin, I believe, is stopping it from actually using using the memory to its full capacity. I'm just going to straighten that out and see what I find. But yeah, a very odd issue. I thought it might have been a BIOS setting, RAM allocation to the integrated GPU, something stupid like that. But no, I'm pretty confident it's going to be a bent pin. And now we're fired back up and we see the full 8 gig of RAM. So one damaged pin, stopping the FX 6300 from, or the main board, from correctly using all the RAM. The more you know. Anyway, bye.